Hello.
Ba yan na? Kaya ang ako ang ano.
Yes, yes, it is. So basically, we are Filipinos supporting our former president, Rodrigo Roa Duterte, who's already inside detained for more than 1 year, facing the charges against crimes against humanity, before the ICC. He's inside there. So basically, we have been here already for more than 1 year, trying to make our presence felt not only by the Filipino community but the entire European community, showing our unwavering love and support to the former president, because we know that as a sovereign country, the Philippines, we have a perfectly working judiciary, and that, him being surrendered by Filipinos who betrayed him because they wanted him to be prosecuted before the international community is very much evident of this is a matter of political persecution. And that's why we are here outside. Hopefully that our presence will pierce through the walls of the ICC and motivates him to carry on. He just turned 81 actually, last 28th of April, and the development of the case is quite slow. He appealed. It really takes a long time. Even an interim release, a provisionary freedom, was not given by the court for the reason that they thought he's still a flight risk. He could still further commit crimes or influence the judicial proceedings. But at 81, that to me is very much telling of what seemed to be, a regard for human rights, because he is a suspect, or the presumption of innocence still stands.
And is he sick?
No, well, yeah, he has some his brain faculties, he develops cognitive impairment, is the terminology, I believe. And that it's very much telling of, his condition while being detained inside without even confirmed charges. Well, apparently, the jurisdictional challenge was filed before the court, and then the appeals chamber will read their decision on the 22nd of April. That will be next week already. And we're also awaiting the confirmation of charges hearing, which will then be also made public by the end of April or early May. May. From the International Criminal Court. Yeah, it's over there, yeah. Because right now, our appeal before the International Criminal Court is that there are no confirmed charges yet. Why can't you allow him to avail of the provisionary freedom? He is brought here the 12th of March. Why? Because his political opponents, the current government, chartered the very plane to be surrendered here.
Shout out sa Reaction Vlog YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. Buhay kayo.
Hi, Kang! Belated happy birthday!
Belated. Kit,
Kani!
is it okay for you, Kit, mag-interview to the Lord? Oh. Ano? Oh. Kit na yung magpa-picture kayo, mulakaw na daw sila, and then mag-interview ta dito, Kit. Sige ma'am, picture mo ma'am. Sige ma'am.
Kang! Buyag kayo kagang
Ako, dali mo ma'am, oh. Dali mo ma'am. Sige ma'am, ako picture ma'am, be. Ay, yung camera ma'am, be. Ma'am, ako yung camera, be. Ay mo picture sa camera. Ito na lang, ito ang gamitin ko. Sige. May kayong lahat? Okay, perfect. Group picture ready. Smile. Hindi, yung alis na sila from Surigao.
Magbabayad ka na hospital, manggo.
Correct. Thank you, ma'am.
Very handsome.
Oh, very good.
Asa daw iyang mga girlfriend din eh.
Tara na.
Thank you!
Thank you.
Bye, Miss Kitty!
Bye.
1, 2, 3,
Alvin,
smile.
Thank you. Ingat
Okay,
kayo.
Thank you, guys.
Parajaw.
Or, di mo ito picture doon. Sige,
Sige, picture ta. No.
Sige.
Picture ta. No, anani mo. Ano, tapos kita.
Picture like ni si Alvin.
Oh, si Sir. Sige.
Kaya ang ikuha na size 10.5.
Thank you. Balik na ma'am, balik ka ana.
Ang pig ha.
Oh, salamat po. God bless you ma'am. Magkita na tapuhon.
Manahan mag-book sa sunod kay.
Jet lag pa ka?
O, nag-jet lag ko kay.
Giigang ka pag jacket rakit.
Igang mo.
Sure ka?
Lami kay
Okay.
katanaw.
Juan, nagaligayo ako mga dala. Salamat ko na ay, gana may nani sa suyo kay Saba kay katawaan pa ni tatay.
Yeah.
Maulagi. Pero, sa ilong kayong prisuhan, ana-ana ang
How's your flight, kid?
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Ako lang dito kay jet lag pag-abot.
Correct.
Same sa last time na late, kaya ko kay abot.
Mm.
Hanggang tayo tulog siguro mga 5-6 hours.
Mm. But actually, nag-lose yung kagwit, kid.
Ikan lang ito sa hospital.
Oh.
Sinasok muna na si tatay sa akong vaccine. Iwanan na kanimawa kong puno.
Yeah.
Ayaw na ginanin niya siya hagdap ng kaon.
Careful lang kasi mong kaon. Mag-careful lang kasi mong kaon.
Ako yung reason mag-gusto na nag-hospital ko, stomach problems.
Ayun lang pagkaon-kaon, Jit.
Hindi ko pwede oily, fatty, dagan, di bawal.
Para mas maayo na.
Ako ang gipisuan. Man kayo init. Si Cyril, no? Asa naman na yung kambal?
Namatay yung papa, kid. Tomorrow ang kuan. Tomorrow ang last. Dito lang. And then, i-cremate din siya. Shit. Si Cons na lang ang kuan.
Last tumigigan din ito karon.
Mm. Ugma ang last viewing and then i-cremate diretso. Oh. And then parang talo na ta. I think 1 month pa man ata na.
Kaya makuha ang ashes.
Mm. Okay na. Mm.
Saan na lang huwag na ang sumabra na ganyan?
Go, clear.
Ang sapatos, mag-judo na ang life. Lagi ko ganahan ka na mag-iwan na si Jamie. Hindi na ako sa ako din. Kutsog na ako sa iyahan.
Gang. Ingna gang bana. Dili offer ng food kay magkuha ng tayo ng food. Oo. Kaya nakita namin kanina doon na. Oo. Mag-interview muna tayo saglit lang. Kit, okay lang, Kit. Like really quick interview. Update lang. Dito na pit, Kit. Ano, para makita si Pierre. Yeah, perfect. Digo. Veronica Kitty Duterte, welcome back to the Netherlands. How are you today?
I'm good, Finn. Thank you for asking. Okay lang. Medyo, I think nilalabanan pa rin yung jet lag. I just arrived this morning around 8 a.m. I think. And then, I was supposed to visit 2 days ago pa, but my flight got delayed since I think most of you know na galing ako ng hospital. I got discharged around 3 days ago. So, tuloy pa rin yung flight, syempre, pero a bit delayed.
Kit, on behalf of the Filipino community here in The Hague and all over the world, belated happy birthday to you. We know na nag-celebrate ka ng birthday mo sa hospital. Do you have any wishes for this year celebration for your birthday?
It's still the same, no? Well, pinalaki kaming ganun, so I treat my birthday as just a normal day. And same as my siblings, kasi yun yung turo ng papa namin. Hindi the same wish that Tatay Tigo when he brought home alive, happy, healthy, safe.
Kitty, how's former President Duterte today?
He looks good, actually. I was surprised. Kaya, contrary to the... contrary to the, past few times na I visited na medyo parang emotional ako, he looked good today. Pagdating niya, sabi niya, wow, mas lalo daw akong gumanda. Kasi naka-lipstick ako kayo. Sabi ko, kaya papawag mo ako paiyakin kasi naka-lipstick ako ngayon. He looked good and he has a message for everyone. Try to remember it in verbatim. Sabi niya, he said, nangangamusta ako sa inyong lahat. Daghang salamat sa inyong tanan. Daghang salamat sa loyalty and I hope I will be able to repay it soon. Balang araw daw. And ayun, even sa mga tao, even sa supporters na all over, not just OFW, sa buong Pilipinas. Maraming salamat.
Did the former president greeted you on your birthday, Kit? Did the former president greeted you on your birthday?
Yes, he did greet me kasi tumawag kami. He calls me 4 times a week. He greeted me, I think, the day before my birthday kasi walang calls on Friday and then my birthday fell on a Friday. So, naka-greet pa rin siya. But I was in the hospital at that time. Then pagtawag niya, sabi niya, happy birthday, gano'n. Nung nagsalita ako, sabi niya, parang may sakit ka, parang doon ko na inawi na I was in the hospital. Kasi, alam niya sabi niya, Papa always knows, Papa can deserve.
Kit, welcome back to the Netherlands. Just to conclude this really short interview, do you have a message to the Filipino people all over the world?
Well, the same, no, for fellow men, for the Filipinos, for the supporters, daghang salamat sa walay dapat suporta. I cannot meet you all, obviously, sa sobrang dami niyo, but I hope to meet you all soon to show my gratitude and ayun. Sana, I hope that matupad yung dream ni Tatay Tigo balang araw to repay all of you for the unwavering loyalty you showed, the whole family. Daghang salamat.
Kit, just one last question. The reading for the decision of the Appeals Chamber sa jurisdictional challenge will be on the 22nd of April. Will you be there or will you be here during that time?
I will be here in the Netherlands, so I will be there sa...
Okay. All right.
Like all the times before, ayaw ni TRD go tayo.
Okay.
We don't bother na things.
Okay. Thank you, Kit. Welcome back and mabuhay ka.
Thank you.
Ayan. Sino pong gusto magpapaya? This Kit, this is for you. This one and this is for... Pinahatag si mo pa. I think it is from Germany. Hindi, parang sabon-sabon or something. And this one is for Mayor Baste if it's possible. And this is for you. Ang katong na imurag dako na kuan.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I take a photo with that? Yan, perfect.
Then ako.
Thank you, Kit. Mabuhay. Kita tong gusto magpa-picture, ma'am. Sige, ikaw na picture ka. Oh, ako na, Kit, be. Ako na lang. Para di ka makakuha. Ihatag kang GL. Gani. Saan mo na pag-achieve?
Sipag ka sa
Gani.
Grabe ya po. Grabe ya sa wish.
Sige.
Gani. Ipasakit.
Sabi ka may entry.
papasakal. Yeah.
Ay, wala man. US citizen. Okay, isa pa. Next. Okay. Next.
Ito.
Narinig kini siya mo.
Yes. Thank you, Kitty.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mama.
Picture ko dong bigay.
Ay, basta.
Kaya imo ko gusto lang nga tarungon, di ano na matarong, manirdos na ko.
Masuko ba yan eh siya, pero sa pangit.
Mo. 100 na ni.
Kinsa may salad.
Sunod.
Yun naman sa...
Ayos sa buko. Hawa na diha dai kay humana magpicture. Ikaw na lang picture. Nara.
Sakit-sakit sa tilapay. Very shrill akong voice because it's really painful my throat na. Actually, I cannot. Pag mutapad ko kay Kitty, mara ko ka na yung lolo.
Kumutapad ka, murang hagkuan.
Hala.
Mara kong lolo niya. Kay gabi ka thin.
Dili jud ang masubok jud.
Hindi naman magsige ato ko dito para masusubo.
Ako magpasil.
Ano na akong size?
Oh, wait lang.
Sige mo mga ato Duterte, di? Sige mo.
Na, ingnan jud ako siya dako ra kayo. Ay si Kuwadi.
Hi, Kawadi Vlog. Shout out po. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal at support natin. God bless you.
Hindi naman ako.
Hindi na makisipar.
Oo ka. Basta nila makain. Walang pupo ba? Walang pupo. Wiwi lang. Alam ng pupo.
Sa... Magpa-selfie ko sa imo, Kim. Thank you.
Pareho na may acting ni Vinti. Nag-blush.
Wala ko Uy, wala ko nag-blush. Oh, grabe, ha?
Oh, di ba? Sige. Ay! Ako na sa skit.
Ako picture. Hala, uy. Dapat eh, masakit para may ano. Group picture to, group picture. Sakit ako tila, okay ko na imo tayo. Sakit ako tila, okay.
Ay, group picture!
Gang, mag-group picture tagang. Group picture, dali.
Pick up lang na yun.
Kinsa may mag-picture?
O sige na, group picture. Hatag ni Regan.
Regan.
Maluoy sa dito si Toto Regan ba?
Upod, be. Lami, aha.
Toto Regan.
Dali ko sa kilid, be.
Ako noon sa wala pati picture, malami.
Gani.
Gasya, ba tayo sumali? Halika na
Ayaw ko na maglingkod. Uy,
Wala
wala ko kalingkod ba ya? Duterte! Duterte for me.
Sir, ako pangs klaro.
Okay, napadaw. Nakapila.
Hindi pa ko sa iyang bang.
Jim, balik pa ba?
Dapat kami pa, 1 minute.
Wag ka na lang.
Kani ha?
Oh, last one. Duterte, bring him home. Wait, video. Video. Duterte, bring him home.
Napa.
Ang tudoy. Duterte! Bring him home!
Tigamay siya.
Ano siya gumabi sa group presentation?
Gina ka para sa magpahulay pa si Kitty mo. Dito dapat mo.
Mrs. Rakanso.
Victoria. Shout out to Ma'am.
Saya.
Shout out sa mga core leaders ng Italy gaganapin na rally sa event sa Boston.
Ugma na. Patugas ang. Patugas ang. Ay, Kit. Maulo ko magpa-shoutout pero because important maka sa ako for the good.
Supporters of Ma'am Mylene Lerios. Shout out to everyone. Maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay. Mabuhay kayong lahat.
Wala pa nakahabol oh.
Wala yung iaba si Gracia oh. Asa ang picture?
Nadris po ah. Nakahabol pa sila mamo. Hi po. Okay.
Kit, ano Kit, babe? Ano?
Kay ngano.
Oh. Ikaw, sige, ikaw, go. Wait lang.
1, 2, 3. Taga-Davao siya pero taga-Dubai. Ay, ganito.
Gusto na ako iyang
Kit.
lawas pa.
Ikan pag pinas.
Magandang hapon po, ma'am. Hello.
1, 2. Isa pa dito. Sandali. Punasan ko muna. Ano siya? Sige, gan. Ayun. 1, 2. Kasi mas naman sa...
Kapangit. Tapad kong Kit, tinamura kong angkol, oy. Naingon kong angkol, oy. Hello.
ba yan na? Kaya ang ako ang ano?
Yes, it is. So basically, we are Filipinos supporting our former president, Rodrigo Roa Duterte, who's already inside detained for more than 1 year, facing the charges against crimes against humanity, before the ICC. He's inside there. So basically, we have been here already for more than 1 year, trying to make our presence felt not only by the Filipino community but the entire European community, showing our unwavering love and support to the former president, because we know that as a sovereign country, the Philippines, we have a perfectly working judiciary, and that him being surrendered by Filipinos who betrayed him because they wanted him to be prosecuted before the international community is very much evident of this is a matter of political persecution. And that's why we are here outside. Hopefully that our presence will pierce through the walls of the ICC and motivates him to carry on. He just turned 81 actually, last 28th of April. And the development of the case is quite slow. He appealed. It really takes a long time. Even an interim release, a provisionary freedom, was not given by the court for the reason that they thought he's still a flight risk. He could still further commit crimes or influence the judicial proceedings. But at 81, that to me is very much telling of what seemed to be, a regard for human rights, because he is a suspect, or the presumption of innocence still stands.
And is he sick?
No, well, yeah, he has some his brain faculties, he develops cognitive impairment, is the terminology, I believe. And that it's very much telling of, his condition while being detained inside without even confirmed charges. Well, apparently, the jurisdictional challenge was filed before the court, and then the appeals chamber will read their decision on the 22nd of April. That will be next week already. And we're also awaiting the confirmation of charges hearing, which will then be also made public by the end of April or early May. April, May. From the International Criminal Court. Yeah, it's over there, yeah. Because right now, you know, our appeal before the International Criminal Court is that there are no confirmed charges yet. Why can't you allow him to avail of the provisionary freedom? He is brought here the 12th of March. Why? Because his political opponents, the current government, chartered the very plane to be surrendered here. Yes. Yeah. Surrendered him, basically.
Yeah, no. Well, guys, I wish you a lot of luck.
Thank you so much for that.
Going to Scheveningen.
Yes, enjoy the sun and enjoy the
Yeah, we'll
scenery.
do that. Okay.
Thank you. I hope that you will read more about his case and hopefully weigh in. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, sir. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Good luck, you guys.
Eloy,
Gong, isend mo naman yung mga picture na.
ano?
Isend mo sa WhatsApp.
Madam Eloy, nakoy gi-PM sa imuha, so please check the PM, especially for you. Asa diya imo inyong picture na bigiti? Kita gisa ko tila, okay?
Dala ba na nakit?
Hello, okay ra ko ate. Thank you ate for the offer.
Sayang ba?
Eloy, madam, i-check sa ang ako ang ato ara nakita na na.
Pakita ko sa inyo paano mag-sharon sa Evelyn. Actually, dito ba mag-sharon sa Evelyn? Pagkatapos, itan na lang natin kasi ano pinakinubag tapos lalo na yung laman. So yun.
Ay, hi ma'am. Bukid doon mo ma'am. Hello ma'am, welcome po sa Duterte Street. Sayang ma'am, namiss niyo si Kitty. Ugma naman siya diri gihapon. Pwede mo mabalik, pero ugma ma'am, alauna siya. Alauna siya diri. Picture ta ma'am.
O, atong apilon to iyang standing.
Sige ma'am, dali ma'am. Why problema? Ani ma'am? Dali ta ma'am.
Namin ulit na yun, sir, si tatay.
Correct, sa tinuod lang ma'am.
Kaya nahurot na biya itong kwarta sa Pilipinas, sir.
Correct. Thank you, Ma'am, for coming. It really means a lot because, you know, your support is a symbol na wag kita ni undang para kay Pierre Arde. Di, kita mo undang. Gusto ka mag-shoutout, Ma'am? Shoutout si Dre, Ma'am.
Shout out sa mga taga Bukidnon na yun ko dinhi kang kauban si Tatay Digong kay gusto na tamuli siya kay wala na hurot na atong kwartag kawat sa mga kawatan ang mga
Correct.
adik.
Ma'am,
Daghan na kayo.
Kung sa may mong gibati karon na naagi ka sa Duterte Street, Ma'am.
Nahappy ko kay daghan kay mga Pilipino diri naghigugma kang Tatay Digong.
Correct.
Salamat kaayo mga atis, kuyas, mga titas, titos and all sa from Mindanao kasagaran di ba
Yes,
sir?
correct, Ma'am. Ma'am, hanggang sa dulo, 2028, solid VP Inday para maging presidente.
Yes, BPN Inday. Padayon pa gyud sa 2031.
Oh, correct. Basta may mastorya nimo, ma'am, sa mga kababayan nato na wala karon diri usi imong mahatag sa ila na inspiration for them to also come here.
Kung dili ta makaanhi kay mahal na kayong klite, padayon ta sa pagsuporta ni Inday Sara for 2028. Laban lang yun ta, mga Bisaya ug maski dili Bisaya basta nagmahal sa Pilipinas. Mga Pilipino tanan, wala na tay unsa Bisaya, Tagalog, unsa pa tong mga tribo, basta para sa kaayuhan sa Pilipinas. Go ta, Tatay Digong, atong inspirasyon for a better Philippines.
Correct. Ganahan ko kay Madam, very eloquent. Mabuhay ka, ma'am. Yes, correct. Me too. I share the same passion, ma'am. Basta laban lang yun hanggang sa dulo. Thank you, ma'am. Ha. If you have the time tomorrow, Kitty will be here from 1:30 to 3. Alas 3 siya muna mo gawas.
And para mo ano sa dili kang Tatay Digong but hindi ka abot sa pulpit.
Sayang, ma'am.
Lang sir, maybe sa Sabado.
But Sabado. No, walay Sabado. It's only weekdays. Weekdays lang, ma'am.
Sir, basta
Yung the most, Sa to ma'am,
I love you, Tay! Uli na, Tay! Uli na!
Ma'am, that's the most important thing that you are here and you know that you are part of history.
And also, sa Bukidnon, sir.
Correct.
kami
Solid.
Solid VP Sara. for
Correct.
2023.
Laban, ma'am. That's the spirit. Mabuhay kayo, ma'am.
Mamasad, sir.
Daghang salamat. Ayun, ma'am.
Ay, grabe inyong
It's okay.
Kaya ka na mo, permi sir, sa TikTok, sa Facebook.
It's really, ma'am, it's really my honor that I'm able to do this, and I'm more than honored to do it for my country. Hey, you know, kasarat na mabuhay sa kalibutan, so we better do it if we
Kung
can.
natin chance.
Correct.
Ato din yung hinuon.
Correct, ma'am. Hanggang sa dulo.
Nakatilaw naman kita sa kaayo.
Sa mga Duterte, correct.
Lalo din pwede natin padayon.
Exactly. Mo nang gikalaban nila mga Duterte, ma'am, kay kabalo man sila na pag ang Duterte magdumala sa nasod, padong kita sa greatness. So,
So, sila tanan reason.
correct. Sila mo puli diri. Thank you so much, Donkey Velminier. Yeah.